What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach and Chase. We're out here in Colorado, and today we're going to be making another video from Josh AI. Guys, we are super excited to be your go-to technology provider here in Colorado, offering everything that you guys need from start to finish. Design, we're talking project management, installation, as well as the after service, covering you from start to finish, eliminating the headaches of technology integration, allowing you to just enjoy your property. We offer every control platform that's on the market, but today we're going to be emphasizing Josh, and in particular, we're going to be unboxing their touchscreen. All right, guys, if you're interested in learning more about Josh, you'd like us to outfit your home, reach out today for that free video consultation. Let's get into this video. Welcome back, Dreamedia family. All right, I'm going to be tossing it off to Chase. He is our Colorado Regional Sales Manager, and he is going to open this puppy up and tell us all about why he loves Josh. All right, over to you, Chase.
Yeah, so this is newer to the Josh lineup and extremely exciting. They now have a in-platform, in-wall touchscreen option for you that will just, maybe phone apps are hard for people. This is, maybe they don't want to use voice control. This just gives you that classic touchpad control.
Or maybe they're just getting old like me, Chase, where they like to have some stuff around the house.
Let you leave your phone away and not use voice control,
Yeah, in my case, I purposely put my phone away at night, and I have URC right now in the house, which is just a different platform, still a great company.
Yes.
But at night, I have thoroughly enjoyed using my touch screens and my handhelds and all of that because the work never stops, and I just love it. If I can, 5:30 when I get home after picking up my kiddo and it's dinner time, throw that in the corner over by the bar and try to spend a few hours just decompressing. I thoroughly enjoyed having all of these components, but what I think Chase was hitting at is you don't have to have these devices. We did a thorough unboxing video of the core right here in a previous video, and Chase discussed how even with the micro, a lot of these components, depending on the size of your home and what you're controlling, can be utilized independently without adding in additional components and increasing costs, but also it's quality of life. So that's why I wanted to hop in and just add that although it's not required, it's nice to have.
Yeah, it is. It's hard enough now to decouple from the internet. If you can get your phone out of your hand and still control your system, it's awesome. So here we go. Like Zach spoke in our previous video about the core, it's almost like an Apple style product and really nice, modern packaging here. As you can see, this allows us for video calls that'll integrate with our doorbells, just like other platforms you'd like. We've got a nice little logo and just a simple end user touchscreen. So I'll go ahead and lift it out now. As you can see, we've got a simple mounting process here. So this is a PoE powered touchpad. Obviously, it looks like there is an option for a 24-volt port.
Like DC
as a retrofit, but obviously in a new construction, you definitely want to just centralize that with.
So this can be used in retro, just DC, and then you don't hardwire it. It actually has Wi-Fi antennas built in.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I mean, yes, we do a lot of new construction home, guys, but in many cases, you guys have these older homes that you want to bring up to 2024 standards, and it's great to have that functionality built in. I don't think many of our control platforms have a Wi-Fi touch.
Yeah, that's for in-wall.
That's what I mean.
Yeah.
This is unique.
And I can tell right now as an installer, this is simple. So I disconnect a Phillips screw on either side of our touchscreen here. I know that may be hard to see.
Yeah, no, I can see it for sure.
So then I'm just going to mount this metal back plate right to where I want it. Have just a big enough cutout for this, which is perfect because once you mount this, you can just do the cutout in the middle afterwards, and this slides flush up to your wall.
Yeah, so like as an example, guys, imagine in a retrofit situation. Let me try to find an example here. Okay, right over here, we got a power outlet down here. We could easily, with that DC, yeah, that wouldn't be the best spot, obviously.
Move it in.
But if we wanted to, anywhere within this stud bay where we have a power outlet down here, we could pop up our DC connection to the panel, and then it would connect back over the Wi-Fi and control your system.
You can drop a data. A lot of homes that are in their second, third iteration of a smart system, you may have a data back here.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, from some other controller.
And if that data happens to go all the way back to your rack, then you just power it up over PoE.
Yeah. And that, let's pretend this isn't here. If I've got a Lutron custom faceplate like this with our labeled keypad,
Yeah, like that.
and a touchscreen, this is seamless looking. Yeah.
I like that. Sweet. Okay.
So again, very new to the lineup, something they needed. Our solution before was to basically have an iPad on an iPort wall mount or an iPort dock that had the Josh app built in. This just simplifies that for you. Because again, you know this, if you have your iPad on you, you can see your email, you can see your text messages at night. So just a nice little system, something the lineup needed, and a your favorite touchscreen with URC, the portable one, that's in development. But for right now, for the initial launch of the touchscreen, we've got that in-wall solution dodged out.
That'll be nice. They've already announced that they're going to be releasing a portable.
Yeah, they're working on it.
Because-
They don't have a release date on that. Their next focus is the Edge, that simple non-touchscreen remote. But of course, this company is just flying. So there's new releases all the time.
Love it.
Every quarter, we're getting updates on a ton of cool software add-ons. Really, what's blowing my mind is how quick integrations are coming. Every time I check the integration list, it's like way longer.
Nice.
Now I remember when I first started with Josh, we had limited integration selection, and they're just expanding.
And that was my hesitation to onboard Josh whenever it first came out, is I've always seen this company. I don't know the exact year. We'll have to look it up to see when they launched. But the last few years, they've been gaining traction. But that has been my concern, is the integration level. And I'm happy to hear, this house is a testament. 12,000 square foot and a variety of different products throughout. Literally, there's a speaker every 5 feet.
Yeah.
Throughout this entire.
You want to know it's the coolest little sub-secret with this? Let's say you've invested in your Crestron home or your Control 4 home, and you're just looking for an upgrade, like a little refresh.
Yeah.
You can overlay Josh over the systems. It'll natively gain control of the Control 4 system or Crestron system, and then you're not gutting your entire.
Can we add this to my URC?
Yeah, so this system actually does have both Control 4 backbone for some, instead of running global caches everywhere, this was originally spec'd in as a Control 4.
We should go put this in.
And Josh is retrofitted. Yeah.
Because I am not a fan of Alexa.
No one is.
I'll be honest with you guys. I have been using Alexa for a while now. And I'll have to say there are some aspects that I enjoy, like the fact that, it pops up, targeting us. That can actually be useful in certain applications. Like we have this panel in our kitchen and it automatically orders groceries and paper towels and toilet paper and
You're at the forefront of everything, man.
Of course. Yeah. And we even had those little tags there for a while that Amazon made, where we put it in, it communicated over Wi-Fi back to Amazon's cloud, but you could literally just press a button by the washer and it ordered the Tide Pods.
That's sweet.
Yeah. So there are certain things that I enjoy about Alexa, but I'll have to say the most annoying thing, and where I was getting at with this, is this precise control. The Amazon, turn on the living room left top shade to 39%.
Yeah.
It's like, oh my gosh, half the time I'd have to repeat myself 3 times before I'd run the command. Now I've done some grouping and it's better, but still, I would love to integrate this over URC to see how it compares to Amazon.
It doesn't integrate natively over URC, which I'm bugging them about. So URC integrates natively with Amazon and Google Voice Control. Josh is only an overlay. Savant dropped them, so now it's only an overlay for Crestron and Control 4 currently.
Okay.
As an add-on. So you can have your functioning Crestron system, functioning Control 4 system and kind of step into voice control with Josh. And really what ends up happening is everyone that has a C4 house I've overlaid Josh in, they never open up the Control 4 app anymore. Then they stop paying for that remote subscription because the Josh app is just so modern, so intuitive, so easy to use, and so easy to change.
Well, I can't tell you how excited I am for you to walk me through this house and show it off. We've actually toured this house, if you recall. If you're a Dreamedia subscriber, you probably saw this house whenever it was just Control 4, and we kind of put emphasis on the audio video aspects, like, you know, the speakers. We have Focal 300 throughout most of the home, the 300 series, then we have the 1000 down in the theater. We got JVC laser NZ900 projector down there, nice big Stewart screen, kaleidoscope. I mean, this house is just packed full of goodies. So my first time through, it was really emphasizing like all of the audio video aspects. I mean, like we have stealth acoustics, outdoor rated speakers, like almost every 5 feet along the eaves outside, as well as in the indoor pool. So
state-of-the-art Lutron system as well. Cutting edge palladium wire free speak.
Well, I hope you guys found this video inspirational and helped you in making a buying decision and your research about Josh. The Josh Core we've already discussed. This video is on the Josh touchscreen, and in upcoming videos we're going to be discussing the micro as well as the handheld and some of the other products. And then, of course, walk through and show the system operation. Guys, we can't tell you how thankful we are for everybody's support. If you're interested in us doing your entire home here in Colorado, whether you're all the way down in the Springs, up to Severance, Fort Collins, Denver, down
Here,
Green,
top Rockies,
or you're up here, we've been doing a lot of projects all the way out to Vail, and at the ski resorts, Copper Mountain, Keystone. We're out.
Meet you where you are in the state of Colorado.
Yeah, anywhere here in Colorado, we'd love the opportunity to earn your business, guys. We go above and beyond creating very, very detailed design plans. Everything with a home technology package starts with the design and the planning. So that's what we pride ourselves on here at Dreamedia, is we're raising the bar. We really have, well, I don't want to throw shade, so I'm just going to say here at Dreamedia, we believe in 5-star service, and we want to elevate your experience. So we're taking the stress out of creating a smart home. We're handling everything from the battery backups to the Wi-Fi, the backbone, all the way through the lighting design, shade control, as well as the audio video. And of course, if you want some insane home theater, we got you covered there as well. You can find some inspiration up here with our home theater playlist that gives you guys some inspiration as to some home theaters that we've completed around the country. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach and Chase with Dreamedia. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.